We have a lot of ground to cover for you tonight, both here and in the Caribbean.
Let's begin with our weather team. Hurricane specialist Max Mayfield and chief certified meteorologist Betty Davis. Betty.
Well, hurricane hunters finding tonight that Hurricane Matthew getting a little stronger over those waters. Maximum sustained winds at 145 miles per hour, pressure 934 millibars, moving slowly toward the north at 7 miles per hour. And that center of circulation 190 miles southwest of Port-au-Prince, Haiti. So here's Haiti, and the one thing you're noticing is that the northern edge of the core of some of the stronger winds and rain already starting to move ashore, coming into parts of Haiti tonight. Also, the Dominican Republic getting a good dose of the heavy rainfall and squally weather too, and Jamaica certainly starting to feel the influence of this system, or about to feel more of its influence. So these regions are going to be under the gun tonight. Then tomorrow we'll track it as it makes a move toward eastern Cuba. Middle of the week, our focus will be on the Bahamas. And then notice on this projected path on Thursday, this is when we're still expecting that closest pass to South Florida. We also want to point out on this projected cone, or the path, that it has shifted just a little bit more toward the west, which we don't necessarily like to see. But we know as we go out in time, there's more room for error in this forecast track. Therefore, look at this. Heading into the weekend, a lot of the southeast coast still needs to pay very close attention to this system. So this is where we are tonight. Hurricane warnings for Haiti, over toward eastern Cuba, portions of the Bahamas too. It's the northwest Bahamas that's under a hurricane watch. As for the Florida Keys and the Florida Peninsula tonight, no watches or warnings to tell you about, but Max, we'll see if that changes as we get into tomorrow morning.
Right, as it gets closer, I'm sure that those watches in the northwestern Bahamas will go up to warnings for there, and then we'll see what happens for us. Okay, let me walk us through the timeline here, for at least through the Caribbean to get started. This graphic shows the hurricane force winds in red. It's in a very, very small area. That's somewhat good news. But the orange and the yellow or tropical storm force winds, and that's enough to do damage in some areas down there. So here we are as time goes on. This is tonight, right now at 11 p.m. Look how slowly this moves. Tomorrow night at this time, at 11 p.m., it's still near the eastern tip of Cuba. So that as the winds go counterclockwise around that eye, portions of Haiti will still be getting not just the wind, but also the rain. Okay, so, and then slowly moving into the central Bahamas after that. Let's look beyond that. You know, the models have been in pretty fair agreement here into Wednesday as it heads into the central Bahamas, and I'm sorry for our friends there in the Bahamas, because it's just going to take a swath, you know, throughout the island chain there, it looks like. Now, beyond Wednesday, the models do turn it to the north. However, exactly where that turn occurs differs considerably. And you can see, and we're just looking at the more reliable models here, and you can see 4 of them that are actually near or just west of Grand Bahama, closer to one actually touches the Florida East Coast there. So that's a big concern, the way and these models can flip-flop back and forth. The Hurricane Center smooths all that out by taking sort of an average or a consensus of the better models. And if you do that, that's that red line. They have several different consensus models. This is one of the better ones. That's usually hard to beat, and that's usually pretty near the middle of the cone. And sure enough, it is there, especially as it gets up near us. So that's uncomfortably close to the Florida Peninsula. This is the newest GFS model run. It actually has it there just west of the western tip of Grand Bahama by Thursday evening. Closest point of approach to us will likely be on Thursday, and then it turns it up, kind of skirts the East Coast up into the Carolinas by Saturday. The probability for hurricane force winds here are between 15 and 20% right now. The probability for tropical storm force winds, you can see here, 72% Palm Beach, 67% Fort Lauderdale, 61% Miami. Those are really high numbers considering the storm is that far away.
So this is what we need to know for tonight. That closest approach for us, again, that's expected on Thursday. And tropical storm hurricane watches could be issued by early Tuesday, so make sure you check in the morning. And the center of Matthew, the location of that center upon its closest approach, and the size, that is going to matter in determining how strong our winds could be. And we'll talk more about that coming up here in a few minutes. Plus, a look at the Doppler radar. I know some of you getting some really heavy rainfall out there tonight. We'll talk to you later. Lori?
Okay, thank you both. And as you just saw there,